just sounds right. Lovely. 5,900 miles. There's 2021 registration in a beautiful King's Red, they call this. This is not your normal flat red, what you call Postman Pat red. This is a very rich metallic red. And what a stunning car. Mark 8 Golf GTI with 245 brake horsepower. Today with a live price, and this car's 35,990. And there's a couple out there, but nowhere near as nice as this, because first of all, I don't care who says what, that colour is very unique, it's special, it's beautiful, that metallic in it just looks great. And then this has got a few more extras. So first of all, let's see what we've got. It's a Mark 8 car, so it's a new generation vehicle, the new style headlights, the full strip LED daytime running lights with that lovely 5 LED front fogs. The front end of the car is so neat, but yet still very sporty and aggressive, because you get all the bumper inserts wrapping around that fog light there, so it looks a bit more meaner. But with 245 brake horsepower and sounding like that, it's perfect if you don't need to go crazy. But look at them wheels. And again, I say it all the time, certain cars make a massive difference, but them Adelaide wheels, 19-inch upgraded, diamond turned and high gloss black, again, in my opinion, is the best wheels you can get on the GTI. They are awesome because they've got that turning pattern on them, so they look like they're turning away. Red brake calipers, all the GTI badging, black window surrounds and the sun protection glass, where you call the blacked out windows. But look at this for a massive extra, because not many have this. This one's got the full tilt and sliding panoramic roof. When I looked earlier, I couldn't see one with the sunroof, the tilt and sliding one, because again, it's amazing to have one. On a day like today, that's brilliant. You've then got your lovely sport bucket style seating with a one-piece headrest, red accent everywhere, the red stitching, Alcantara. You've got the DSG gearbox with paddle shift, heated steering wheel. Look at that new dash. See the whole layout and the way it's angled. Got a fully digital live cockpit as well. This is a brilliant, brilliant machine. 5-door hatchback, ISOFIX attachments. Look at the keys. How neat are the new keys? Just nice, you know, like, just look good. With the rear seats, you've got ISOFIX attachments, 3-point seat belts, and again, you've got a bit of that support with the bucket styling again, because they flick out with the Alcantara sections, the red stitching again. But seeing these nice little things, neat little pockets where you can put your iPads in there. Oh, it's a small iPad, by the way. iPhones or anything else, you've got pockets there, rear heating controls. The mats on this car are brand new, because the car is good as new. Everything's still wrapped up, literally. And that's front and rear. The shape, the size, the lines, if you look at all the lines that on it, the car just looks super crisp. In immaculate condition, none of the wheels are curved, bodywork, no scratches or dents, the big red GTI badge bang in the middle underneath the VW badge. You've then got the new IQ light systems there. Come up all the way close to, look at this. Because it's super refined. I also bought little things for me. See all the individual LEDs and then the little detailing in the rear lighting system. Dynamic sweeping LED indicators. Looks brilliant. Twin tail pipes with that lovely Golf GTI rear bumper. Big spoiler on the back there. Nice boot space. It's deep, it's got the width, it's got everything, and the seats go down. You literally press the button, the full flat, and you've got yourself a massive boot. The car's in a great condition. Remainder of the manufacturer's warranty, so up until the car turns 3 years old, you are fully protected. That just snaps off. And that's why people love Golfs, because they're a great hatchback, literally a hot hatch. But you can then really utilise it for everything, kids, family, business. But look how cool this car is, and I mean it. For me, it's the colour, it's the performance, it's the spec, the wheels, the pan roof. Remember, on the new style vehicle, electric windows and mirrors is normal. I love all this finish. Adaptive cruise control. I talk about adaptive cruise control all the time, because I mean, you could drive about in a 70, 80,000 pound Range Rover and it hasn't got adaptive cruise control, but the Golf GTI does. The heated steering wheel, Bluetooth controls, stereo controls, all this is ceramic glass. It's all illuminated. The GTI comes with all the red accents. The Golf R comes with all the blue accents. The ambient lighting, I didn't even mention that, I can't believe it. The ambient lighting's in the door cards, in the centre dash. If you just go down, you'll see. Also in the back as well. But just going, keeping up with the market, everything's just sort of touch. You're not even press, it's just touch. If you touch things, it works. You don't need to sit there and start stabbing at it, absolutely not. That's so easy to use. And then over here, same again, it's all touchscreen. Like, it's very, very simple, but easy to use. So climate, for example, you touch it, your climate control comes up. And it's all very sort of soft approach to it all. Where do you want the air to blow on your feet, your face? How fast do you want the fans to blow? I mean, I don't know how much smart climate. So, quite funny at times. But warm my feet, warm my hands, cool my feet, fresh air, defog windows. Just everyday language, I call it. Modes, you've got eco, comfort, sport and climate. For quick access for the climate, you've got hot and cold. It's just literally, that's a volume there.
Back here with Debbie.
Absolutely brilliant. Navigation, Bluetooth, wireless charging pad just down there. And I've mentioned it a few times, but how cool is this short shift gearbox? It's amazing. And then you've got a paddle shift as well, park button and the new stop start. All this is flush. And again, it's all good material, from the leather wrap steering wheel to the top dash. See this dash here? Just nice and soft. Soft as in not plasticky, it's not that scratchy plastic stuff. 35,990, oh please. I know you've finished watching the video, just go outside, Tom. It's a colour that can be appreciated in every colour, in every light. And I just think in the sun, this King's Red will just look absolutely the business. Let's go in the sun. So if I've just bought this car, I'd be over the moon. Just look at that colour there. It's amazing. It's just a bit of character. I've got nothing against black cars. My favourite colour is blue. But when you see a car with character, you just see every single part of that car and you can really enjoy every single minute with it. Awesome car, don't miss out. My name's Joe. My name and numbers on the bottom of the screen. Give me a call, drop me a text or WhatsApp and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Bye bye now.